Welcome. In this lesson, I will explain the correct ways to use the verbs to be. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel and enjoy the lesson. The verbs to be are these words. They are used when you talk about yourself or other people. The verb are is used with plural nouns and the pronouns they, we, and you. Is used with singular nouns and these pronouns she, he, and it. We use am with the pronoun I to talk about yourself. Was is the past tense of is. We use it with she, he, it, and I. Where is used with plural nouns and the pronouns we, they, and you. When we use the first one, been, we usually use it with the word has or have. So you can say has been or have been. Being is usually used with the verbs am, is, are, was, were. Now let's look at some examples. So do you say Max and Jill are going to school or Max and Jill is going to school? The first one is the correct one. You say Max and Jill are going to school. We use are with plural. Or you can say they are going to school. They is a pronoun to represent Max and Jill. Max, Jill, and I are going to school, or Max, Jill, and I am going to school. Which is the correct one? Max, Jill, and I are going to school is correct. Or you can say we are going to school. We're talking about more than one person. I am reading a book or I is reading a book. Am is always used with I, so it's I am reading a book. Jill and I am going to school or Jill and I are going to school. Here we have more than one person, so we used are. Jill and I are going to school. Am is singular. We were at the mall yesterday or we was at the mall yesterday. It's we were at the mall yesterday. More than one person, we use were. You have been reading for hours or you have been reading for hours. It's you have been reading for hours. B-E-E-N. You are being so kind or you are being so kind. Which is the correct one? It is you are being so kind. Being is used with the verb are. You have been so kind or you have been so kind. Have is used with been. So we use the first one is the correct one. You have been so kind. I am at work or I is at work. Again, am is used with I. You don't say I is, you say I am at work. You are smart or you is smart. You don't use is with you. You say you are smart. They are at the park or they is at the park. It's they are at the park. I am at school yesterday or I was at school yesterday. Past tense, we use the verb was. I was at school yesterday. They were at the meeting or they was at the meeting. For plural pronouns, we use were, so they were at the meeting is correct. I have been waiting for you or I have been waiting for you. Remember, we use have with been. Have been waiting for you is correct. I am being patient or I am being patient. The second one, I am being patient is correct. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and turn on your notification button.